Hello children, we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. What is unlike fractions? Fractions with different denominators, that is called unlike fractions. Now we are going to learn addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Addition and subtraction of unlike fractions, they have a different denominators. First of all, we have to take LCM, then equalize with the denominator, then we have to add the numerator. Finally, we will get answer. Now start with the exercise. First question, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. So these two fractions are unlike fractions because fractions, they have a different denominators. So 3 and 7 we have to take LCM. Here I have done the LCM. So 3 and 7 LCM is 21. With the LCM we have to equalize the denominator. So here 3 is there. With the 3, 7 multiple we will get 21. The same 7 we have to multiple with the numerator also. So we will get 14 by 21. Next second fraction 1 by 7. With the 7 multiply by 3 we will get 21. That same 3 we have to multiply by numerator also. So fraction 3 by 21. Now we equalize the denominators. Next we can add the numerators. So answer is 17 by 21. Next question, 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15. So here also we have a different denominators. We have to take LCM of 10 and 15. Here I have done the LCM. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. With the 30 we have to equalize the denominator. Here we have a denominator 10. With the 10 multiply by 3 we will get 30. So same 3 we have to multiply by the numerator also. So we will get 9 by 30. Next fraction 7 by 15. 15 is the denominator. With the 15 multiply by 2 we will get 30. That same 2 we have to multiply with numerator also. So fraction is 14 by 30. So now denominators are same. We can add the numerator. So answer is 23 by 30. Next question. 3 set of fractions they have given in the addition. So nothing is there. Same procedure only. So one more number extra will come. With the 3 denominators we have to find the LCM. Then equalize with the denominator. Next we will get answer. Next question. Listen children, here they have given mixed fraction. Here one more procedure extra is there. What is that? Here mixed fractions they have given. Mixed fraction convert into improper fraction first of all. First of all we have to convert into improper. Here they have given 4 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 4. 4 2 by 3. 4 is a whole number. 3 is a denominator. So multiply of denominator and whole number. Add with the numerator. So finally you will get 14 by 3 plus 13 by 4. We will get a improper fraction. Next, with the improper fraction we can do the addition. Before do the addition we have to take LCM. How we have done before those questions, same answer we have, same procedure we can follow. First of all you have to take LCM of 3 and 4. Here I have done the LCM. So LCM is 12. With the 12 we have to equalize the denominator. We will get answer. So one more thing. With the answer, if it is possible we can simplify. Otherwise convert into mixed fraction. Next question is 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. So this is subtraction. Here also same procedure we have to follow. Only thing is we have to subtract. First of all you have to take the LCM 6 and 3. So 6 and 3 LCM is 6. With the 6 we have to equalize the denominator. So here 6 is there in the denominator. Same thing we can write. Next 3 is there in the denominator. With the 3 multiplied by 2, we will get 6. The same 2 multiplied with the numerator also. So finally, we will get 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Now we can subtract. Because we have a same denominator, we have done the equalize also. So 5 minus 2, 3. Answer is 3 by 6. Here is simplified. So answer is 1 by 2. Next question also subtraction. But small different is they have given mixed fraction. So same procedure how we have done in the addition. Same procedure we have to follow here. Mixed fraction convert into the improper. Then we have to take LCM. Then equalize the denominator. Then we can subtract. We will get answer. So convert into the improper fraction. We have to multiply whole number and denominator, add with the numerator. So mixed fraction convert into a improper. Like that we have to do the conversion. We will get improper fraction 33 by 4 minus 17 by 6. With the fraction we have to take LCM. 4 and 6 we have to take LCM. 4 and 6 LCM is 12. With the 12 we have to equalize the denominator. Then we have to subtract, we will get answers. So here I have given some questions. Try at home. Next question. Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita bought 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total? So in the question they have given total. So total means we have to add both the length of the ribbon. First one, length of ribbon bought by Sarita 2 by 5 meter. Next, length of ribbon bought by Lalita 3 by 4 meter. Now we are going to find out total length of ribbon. So we have to add these two measurement 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. So here also we have a unlike fractions. So we have to take LCM of 5 and 4. 5 and 4 LCM is 20. With that 20 we have to equalize the denominator. Then we will get answer. So total length of ribbon is 23 by 20 meter, or mixed fraction answer also we can write 3 by 20 meters. Next question is a piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into 2 pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? So here they have given the total length of wire 7 by 8 meter. In the length of one piece of wire also they have given 1 by 4 meter. So we have to find out length of the other piece of wire. So we have to subtract from the total, and they have given the length of one piece of wire measurement. So 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. So here also we have a different denominator. So this is called unlike fractions. So we have to take LCM. So LCM is 8. With the LCM we have to equalize the denominator. We will get answer. So length of other piece of wire is 5 by 8 meter. Thank you.